It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Hi, I'm Jordan Fraser here today with Jean Bryan from Window World, who's talking us through all of the benefits of getting the best replacement windows. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me here.
There are really two camps of benefits that you get when you do all new windows on your home, and we're talking lifestyle benefits and then some financial benefits. So let's dig into lifestyle.
Well, the way I break lifestyle down is kind of appearance, ease of operation, and also comfort level. Appearance is kind of self-explanatory. If you think about it, these old wood windows or aluminum windows, they don't look the greatest. Sometimes they actually tarnish your siding outside. Ease of operation, you want to be able to make sure you can open and close those windows.
Pride of ownership for both of those, because I want it to look nice and be functional.
Exactly. Plus, in the event of a fire, you want to make sure you can open these windows to get out.
Absolutely.
So a lot of times that's a problem. Also, comfort level. The hot sunshine that we have here and the cooler winter days that we have can really make your house uncomfortable. So comfort
Especially
level.
if you can't open those windows, Jean.
Exactly. Comfort level is huge.
Comfort level is huge, and that has a lot to do with energy efficiency, because as the windows are preventing heat and cool from transferring through the window, that leads us right into those cost-saving benefits.
Oh, it does. And you know, I have a great analogy for that. If you think about it, a lot of the homes we have in San Diego were built in the 70s, 60s, 50s. Think about, and you're kind of young, I'm not, but think about our cars in the early 70s. Most of the cars averaged about 6 to 8 miles to gallon. We have what, $4 a gallon gas prices here, so can you imagine how inefficient that is? Windows are the same way. The technology has changed on windows just like it has on cars. So now we can insulate your home with our energy efficient windows and save you a lot of money on your energy bills.
Absolutely, and eventually those windows are going to pay for themselves essentially because of the savings you're going to garner.
They do. We have, in some instances, we have customers that say they've paid for them within 3 to 5 years.
Wow, 3 to 5 years is incredible. You're also going to, get noise reduction. That goes back to lifestyle a little bit, but then for the cost savings, you're going to prevent fading and UV rays from coming through those windows as well. And that can do a lot of damage on floors and furniture, photographs.
It does, exactly right. The UV rays cannot penetrate through these new energy efficient windows like they do through a single pane window.
Thank you so much, Jean. If you are looking for the best replacement windows in San Diego, look no further than Window World's wide selection. Give them a call today at 619-797-6988 or use the Pro Finder on ApprovedHomePros.com to get started today.
Do you enjoy that video? Please take a moment to subscribe. When you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips. It's all great information that covers everything you need to know for your home. So hit that subscribe button below and check out more videos.